name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this awesome foot cream by O'Keeffe's that really works. I get Grand Canyon-like ridges in the back of my heels that are so painful, and I just kind of felt like I have to live with my feet being this way. I would try and take care of my feet, I'd try and use different creams, but this one has done a wonderful job of helping me get my feet where I want them to be. And my feet feel so much softer when I'm using this. I can feel that protective barrier on the outside of my feet. So it feels like not only is my skin getting moistened, but it's also giving me that barrier so my skin gets softer as I'm using it. And that's really hard to do with feet because I'm always on my feet. Most of us are, and it's really important to have your feet in the best shape they can be, especially since we need them so much. So this is so practical to have. This is just a really wonderful product that I found, and I think it works wonders on my feet. I've noticed a big difference. It's really not scented, so if you're sensitive to smells, that's another plus. And I love this cute jar. I like the color. I think that's just gives you that feeling like, ooh, I'm going to take care of myself. I'm going to the spa, and just it's so important to get your feet exactly the way you want them. And even if you feel like I can't have those nice feet, this gives you that chance. At least for me, it gives me that chance to have the feet that I've been looking for. And that's my point of view.